Hey y'all, I'm Angela Robertson, and if you're catching this part, you're probably catching the replay. So Nick and I are about to go somewhere I've never been, he's never been, and I am going to turn the camera around so y'all can see it. So tell us, hey, how do you feel, Nick?
Hey,
Where are you going?
where the wind blows.
Wherever the wind blows you.
Yep.
Like, we've never been to the Atlantic Ocean, y'all. So I kept saying, it's the Atlantic, right? So we're in South Carolina, and I cannot believe that this is technically a work trip. Like, really? It's a nice resort, and it's right here on the ocean. So it's so pretty. Hey, looks like Joseph. Hey, Larry, cousin Larry, yay. Hey, Kim. So we've never been to the Atlantic Ocean, and we are going now because of LimeLife, technically. So we were trying to figure out like what we were gonna do for our anniversary, and just so happened it's a product launch weekend. And we decided to come to South Carolina. So this is a work trip, a tax deduction, which is awesome. I don't think we've ever had an anniversary trip be a tax deduction. Have you, Nick, ever had an anniversary trip be that? We are we. We are one.
So I hope you wasn't married before.
I
At
wasn't.
least I didn't know anything about it.
Oh, man.
So, but yeah, this is my first one.
First one.
I don't know what you had in your last marriage.
So this is my first marriage and first anniversary trip. So, hey, if y'all are hopping on, Nick, tell me something, because y'all, Nick was a skeptic. Nick did not, first off, believe in LimeLife or anything, and he's turned into that man. So tell me what you like.
I don't know when this came about, Nick. It was about the Atlantic Ocean.
I know.
But
Since he's looking so hot up there.
as far as LimeLife, as far as the products and everything, I mean, I stand behind them 100%. You know, I'd rather go with something that's 100% natural instead of running to somewhere like Gillette, Neutrogena.
What's Gillette?
You know, that's the men brand as far as like shaving cream.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
facial products and stuff like that.
Cool.
You know, because I mean, you don't talk to those people every day. You don't know what they have in the products. They don't advertise what's in the products, but you still, at the same time, when you see it on a commercial, people run and get it. You know, but if I can watch somebody that's doing a live or telling me what's in the product and they stand behind it 100%, then yes, I'm running to that product. That's what I want, you know.
But that's not y'all. He's the hardest person to buy into, so you've got some people jumping on too. Like, he is a skeptic, and I'm telling you, the biggest one that I had. So what convinced you all of a sudden?
Using the product day in and day out.
Yeah, I kind of made him.
You just gotta step out and try it. You know, I mean, ain't nobody trying to make you do something that you don't want to do. But I mean, as far as taking care of your body, taking care of your skin, I mean, you had to try when you went to Ulta. You know what I'm saying? You had to try when you went there. You know what I mean? So why not try something that's proven, that's natural, you know, and you got people that you know telling you that it works. You know, don't go off what you see on TV and say, hey, this works for you. How do you know it works for you? You know,
Yeah.
go to somebody that can invite you over to their house and try these products for free, you know, and tell you what it is and educate you on the product. I mean, that's the way to go.
Okay.
I really do feel that way.
So Jeremy said nice shorts. Hey, Jeremy.
Jeremy must like my legs.
Yeah, he likes it. He likes those legs.
Jeremy
Oh yeah, let's see those legs. They don't have cowboy boots on. Yes.
Jeremy all on my shorts.
That's awesome. I love them too.
Anyway,
Hey, let me ask you this. Hi, people. How are y'all? So tell me about like the culture. Like, what do you feel about like what do you think it's done for me and like for us? And then we're gonna walk.
I mean, look where we are.
Yeah, this is like our anniversary.
You know, I mean, as far as doing the same things over and over and over, I think LimeLife and what you're doing, I mean, it's bringing us new places and making us see new things through a different eye. You know, as far as growth for you, I think it's brought you a long way. I mean, you see things in a way that I sometimes still don't understand.
I'm
But
crazy.
as long as you feel that it's the way to go,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna stand behind it. So whatever it is that that we're chasing or we after, I'm along for the ride.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And that didn't, I mean, it didn't come easy. So suck that drink down. We are going to take y'all.
Lime juice and ice water is nothing, you know. It ain't like it's a good drink. It's lime juice and ice water.
So we actually, I left my job and now I promote a skincare and makeup brand. And actually we're changing women and men's lives, y'all. Like, my passion behind this is like incredible, because just like going to somebody's house to help them like feel a little bit more confident in their skincare, feel a little bit more confident in applying their makeup, like that means the world to me. And we are changing people's lives one day at a time. Somebody said to me, what they say? Here, I'm gonna turn it back on me real quick one time, just so y'all can see it. Hello. You got that sucked down? And then we're gonna walk to the ocean. We can say ocean for real, y'all. Normally it's just the Gulf, but like, we are changing women's lives. It changed mine. I started to feel so much more confident about myself. And I didn't even know I needed this, y'all, because I was like that girl who was a workaholic, who basically would have been okay with doing exactly what I was doing before. And I got the juice. Going through my own stuff kind of helped. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Like, actually, and I'm going to share this. You done? Waiting on him to suck down his?
I'm done.
Okay, let's go.
It ain't nothing but water and lime juice. Don't take long to down that.
All right, we're taking y'all. Oh, yay, Kim. I cannot wait either. She's joining. Hold on, what's today? Thursday? She'll officially be a part of the team tomorrow, y'all. But it's more than just the makeup and skincare. Somebody said, you know, there's more to life than just making people feel pretty. Yeah, there is. There's opportunity. There's a job that, you know, I could never say to a woman, you know, who came to me for a job, hey, I've got something for you. I could never say that, you know, what I'm doing is helping women in third world countries. Hi. Never. Look at the chair. Hey, Barbara. If y'all can, give it a quick share. But I could never, like, do that. And uh-oh, beanbag toss. Jeremy, where you at? Oh gosh. Ryan Stelly. He is calling you out right now on the beanbag toss. They do look like pillowcases.
Big ass. Oh, that's some big beanbags.
He
Not
goes,
the normal
"Oh."
size beanbag.
So I could never say that in my other job. And I loved my job, y'all. I was thinking about this earlier. I was like, and all the times I used to travel, you gonna take your shoes off?
No.
Dudes walking through the sand.
Bring your butt.
Okay, all right. First time at the ocean called the Atlantica. It's the Atlantica Ocean.
Nasty ocean.
It's not nasty. It should be colder than the Gulf though, right?
Colder or cooler?
Cooler. I mean colder.
Colder.
Colder is a
colder.
word.
No, it don't make sense.
No? Hey, y'all,
cooler
colder
then.
or cooler? I
Cooler.
think colder.
Cooler.
I mean, yeah, cooler.
Should
I
be
mean,
cooler.
if you're comparing two
It
things,
should be
all
cooler
right,
than the Gulf.
let's get technical here. Cooler than the Gulf, colder than a popsicle in a fridge. We'll go with that. But yeah, I loved my job, but like now it's like I have the ability to impact every single person's life in a different way. And it's awesome. People need solutions. And that's what we give. Like, we are helping women and men. Y'all, look. It's our first time. Like, I'm so happy that I'm doing this. Like, seriously. Y'all have no idea. This is, like, first time ever. Here. Yeah, there's rocks. Oh, my feet are in the ocean. I've never stepped here before. It's like I want to step so many places. I just want to share them all. Like, I really do. That's the resort we're staying at. So the fall product launch is tomorrow. Throw up a heart, y'all, if y'all are excited about the Atlantic Ocean. Have y'all ever been here? I guess nobody's excited.
Where you are.
Hey, Greg.
All you been saying is the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, we're in South Carolina. We are in Hilton Head, South Carolina. Have you put your feet in yet?
No.
Okay, come do it.
No.
You're good? You're just gonna look? Okay.
I'm just gonna look.
Awesome. I know, it's so pretty, Cam. Gosh. So, hey, my dear friends. Like, I love the water. I've always loved the water. It just feels cool.
Damn, that damn baby naked. I ain't know that damn baby had no damn pamper on.
Well, Nick, y'all.
That baby living
Hold
it
on,
up.
wait. Oh, he said, now why y'all don't have a cold beer in your hand? Actually, that's a good question, Lindsay.
You can't drink on this beach.
You are not allowed. Here's a history lesson, you guys, because I didn't know it. I went and got us
It's not a
some.
history lesson, it's a fact.
Oh, yeah. Here's a fact.
It's a fact that you did not know about South Carolina beaches.
One cool fact is that they are not like us Southerners, especially my Louisiana people. You cannot drink on the beach. You actually
You cannot have possession of nor consume
an alcoholic beverage on the beach. How about it? So I go and I get us a nice cold, beverage. And I'm like, come on, let's go walk on the beach. And that's why we were standing where we were. And thank goodness we were. Because I told Nick, I was like, I'm not about to go to jail today. I've never been to jail. I'm not about that life. All right.
Even though they won't send you to jail, you'll get a little citation.
Okay, anyway.
You won't go to jail.
We're not going to talk about that anymore. I'm just gonna say, hey, we're changing people's lives, people. The skincare is legit. The makeup is freaking awesome. And it's a tax write-off. Boom! Tell me why $169 for all y'all ladies that are posting your selfies anyway.
What's that commercial?
By the way, I sound like a commercial, Victor.
What's the name of the commercial?
I don't know.
About the resorts. I can't think of the name. It's about the resorts.
Yeah.
I can't think of the name of it.
So this awesome resort that's behind me. No, actually one of my dreams though, like when I was little, was to sell Mary Kay by the time I was 40. Not even kidding. My life got me sooner. I'm 32 and feeling free. And I want to run every woman.
And instead of a pink Cadillac, you know what kind of Cadillac y'all get? Guess. Take a wild guess.
I want to know this one.
For selling LimeLife. What color Cadillac do y'all get for selling LimeLife?
I want to know this one.
I'm gonna give you 5 to 10 seconds for somebody to respond.
Anybody out
Yes.
there? Just put one guess. Come on, Lindsay.
It's a Cadillac, but what color?
What color Cadillac? Come on, Kim. Who's got us? Somebody get him.
I guess I'm gonna have to say.
I don't know. Hold on, wait. 2 more seconds. Somebody. Throw up a heart at least.
Alright.
Alright, here we go.
5, 4, 3,
2.
2.
Who said lime? Okay.
Lime. No. Once you reach $50,000 in sales with LimeLife, you still get no Cadillac, man. But
you get so
it's
much
all
more.
about the experience.
No, you actually get so much more. I was wondering where he was going.
You get no Cadillac.
You get no Cadillac, but you do get a lifestyle bonus once you hit a certain rate.
Yeah, and I like that lifestyle bonus too.
Yeah, you do. Like, there's money opportunity, but like overall, and like I guess, hey, people are looking at us. You know what? It's okay. Beverly said red, so you get a
Beverly?
red. I'm not sure.
Who is Beverly?
I'm not sure. Do you know Beverly?
Beverly. Who you? Show your face. Do I know you?
She's got her picture there.
I can't see that little picture. Beverly, show your face. Where you from, Beverly?
I'm not certain. Okay, so...
She said something? Oh, no. Nicole Funnot.
Hey, Nicole.
I know Nicole Funnot.
Yeah, she actually...
Where's she from?
She's in Lafayette. She takes at Pure Bar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
We went... She said...
Madeline Kovacs.
I want to...
Madeline, I still don't know how to pronounce your last name. Is it Kovacs or Kovacs or Kovacs?
I want to be where y'all are. Nick is cut off.
No! Tell me
Okay, here we go.
Pronounce your last name. Is it Kovacs or Kovacs?
Work is no bueno. Who is that? Lisa?
If you can't read Spanish, correct.
No bueno. It's no bueno.
We don't need to try it.
It's no bueno. Hey.
Bueno.
Let me tell you. She said Kovacs.
Kovacs. Oh, okay.
She goes Chicago family.
That's what I used to say. Kovacs.
Oh, Robertson Brothers.
Or Robertson Brothers.
You're a Robertson. I'm married.
Chicago, and our family. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Anywho.
Well,
And Madeline,
to know people.
I know, Madeline, you should be here too, girl. You really should. I think, yes, y'all should be here.
But Madeline, I'm gonna come get on that bike with you though. I mean, as you can see.
Like the same seat and everything.
No, not the same seat. But as you can see, I can lose a pound or two. And let me know when I can come get on that bike. Okay.
Back to work. See, I'm working. This is work. This is work for me. Yep. See, it is. We get to go to the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, she said JoJo, Dwight Stacy Robinson.
So is that let me see. So
See, I married a Robertson. I'm a Dixon, you know.
I wonder if that,
All right. And I know I'm probably like shaky. So this will be a long
What set
first
of Robertsons?
experience for us. Okay, he's asking what set of Robertsons. Do you know?
Mississippi.
Maybe?
I don't know.
Ooh, there's a Sibby. Yay. I know. How do I? That's Sibley. Hey, Charlene.
I don't know.
Not sure. All right. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this up because
What about Ned?
Okay.
Ned Robinson? Is that
look at
who's
this
he talking about?
sign.
Ned Robinson? I don't
And
know.
I know there's a delay too. So anyway, if you are, she's got an answer. Frederick Robinson, yes, Mississippi.
I'm not familiar with them.
Not familiar with them. I know that there's a lot of like Robertsons and a lot of Dixons, y'all. Who would have thought that I was lucky enough? So when I was in Dixon, I had to say Dixon, like without the S, because my daddy did it without the S, you know. So now I have to say Robertson without the T. It's like I'm just that lucky. All right. Anyways, y'all have like a skincare concern, and you're not quite sure how to fix it. Let me know. Hey, Laura. If you've gone to the dermatologist, because that's what I did.
Why don't you turn the camera around?
You want me to turn around? All right. Let's see. Turn around. Turn.
And
Oh,
then you got the beach in front of you.
oh yeah.
That postcard is a whole lot better than the other postcard you gave.
See, he's my director. And this is like different because he never like even wants to get on. Like for forever.
Because Angie wears me out with live this, live that. She's always live. She's like, Nick, let's do it live.
Because I'm so obsessed with this. Like, LimeLife made it. I don't know.
I'm like, well, right now, I'm trying to take a bath. Can I take a bath and not do it live while I take a bath?
No, you gotta take a bath and like show them the skincare you're using.
yeah. Show them what you're using on your skin while you take a bath. Yeah.
It's all about helping people. Like, it's so fun. I became so obsessed, so I'm excited. Yeah, and I'm crazy, so I'm that crazy one. And I'm about to get off though. So if y'all catch the replay, put #replay. We are here. We did something for the very first time that we've never done. And thank y'all for watching.
And we're going to do something else we never done.
What is that?
This weekend, we're going to watch the Saints play football in South Carolina.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to watch Mississippi State play football in South Carolina. Not in person, but on TV. But that's a start.
Yes,
Yeah,
Kim.
that's a
Nick's
start.
on here. I'm telling you, girl, it's the power of that LimeLife. See, y'all, it changes people. That confidence, that scary thing that you're afraid to do. And we're doing it here every day.
And them Saints bad, boy. This year, boy.
Who dat, though?
But them Saints going to be something serious, I'm telling you. They going to be a force. Oh, yeah.
Look at the dog. I wish we had polo.
I'm glad we don't have polo.
Why?
You got to pick up poop. Make sure he eats. I guess that's all the thing that you got to do for a kid.
Are you sure you're ready for children?
Not 100%.
That's why the good Lord ain't blessed us yet, y'all. So when it happens, it will.
I'm 86% sure I want a kid right now.
I think we might have people laughing at us, y'all.
Hey,
Random people on the beach.
they think we famous because we doing
Because we
live.
are famous.
Yeah, because we doing live.
We're
They-
Facebook
they-
famous. No,
they
wait.
think
What
we
would we
famous.
do in our video? Like if we were Facebook famous,
They
we'd be like,
think we famous, and we're not famous. But
Yeah.
I mean, I'm Lafayette famous, right?
We're Simpson County famous, right?
No.
No?
No.
No.
That's LaShawn
I mean,
and Emmanuel.
Yeah, but people were asking
Oh
about
no,
Robinson.
that's LaShawn and Emmanuel, Simpson County. No, let me see.
Let's see.
Simpson County famous. Who do
Who do
I
you,
say?
hold on, wait, let's say this. Who do y'all know from Simpson County? Like, drop their name below. That'd be awesome.
Who are the famous Simpson County people?
Who do we know?
Who live in Simpson County?
That you know.
Everybody know. I don't care who
you-
mentioned their name. Somebody know them.
Somebody knows that person.
Who is that person?
James said 49ers. 49. Hold on, wait. I don't even know who watches. I'm sorry, James.
Man,
I don't know who watches them.
Moon, you a 49er fan, bro? Man, hey, Moon.
What's up, homie?
Next time, man. Just say you a Mendenhall fan. That goes a long way, a whole lot further than 49er.
Okay, he said me. You know what?
What's up, homie?
High five to you because he is. So that, you know what? It don't matter.
But I ain't bashing nobody team.
It
You
doesn't
like
matter.
who you like.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? You like who you like. You know, it don't matter. You know, you're not a Saints fan. You're not a Saints fan. You know, not everybody grew up to be a Saints fan.
He wasn't a Saints fan.
No, I was not a Saints fan. When I was growing up, I was a Rams fan. I was a fan of Marshall Faulk, Torrey Holt, Isaac Bruce. Man, all them guys, that was my team, the Rams. You know, Marshall Faulk, my favorite player. You know, but that ain't that no more. And they went through their drought, and I kind of veered off. I moved to Louisiana, and I had to be a Saints fan.
I'm from
So,
Louisiana. I'm from Louisiana.
But I hate to say I still like the Rams from what they did us in the championship game, in the NFC championship game, but it's all good. It is what it is. The Patriots. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Hey
Hey y'all. Oh Lord.
Home is a Patriots fan.
We done got on football. So
Hey, but-
ladies.
But it's not that bad though, homie. I mean, you still got you still got a chance at life being a Patriots fan. So you're a bandwagon fan. Well, I guess so. I mean, my old lady was a Saints fan.
I've been a Saints fan.
You know, my parents was a Saints fan. I used to hate the Saints. I ain't lying. I used to hate the Saints. You know, but when I got here, I mean, it just felt right. You can't go to Buffalo Wild Wings and Lafayette and root for the damn Browns. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so he's not a bandwagon.
Man, I'm just adapting.
Okay, so this is it. Here we go. So, here is a analogy. So y'all, what fan can they be? What name did you say earlier?
What?
Gillette
Gillette?
fans, and what else you said?
What, Neutrogena and all
Y'all Gillette and Neutrogena fans? See?
What's all the other stuff them girls be wearing?
And like makeup, MAC,
Hey, homie.
Sephora. Y'all want to go there?
No, they don't.
Y'all can still go there, but like whenever like.
Hey, homie. I'm
Your
gonna have to
face
get
can
with you,
be-
homie. I'm gonna have to get with you and Jermaine, man, cause I mean y'all boy doing good. I mean y'all going to Browns game, y'all going to Baltimore Ravens game, OKC game, man. Hey, shit. I like Cleveland basketball too. I want to go to a Cleveland game. Let's talk. Let's get together, man. Let's talk.
Wait, didn't you go to a Cleveland game?
Yeah, I went to Cleveland and New Orleans.
So what are you even talking about? We're not even listening to this dude anymore. Okay, y'all. So I think our time is up.
No, I mean, I can go all day.
No, we're not gonna go out. See, that's why like
We ain't gonna do no more live?
no.
Who is Brad Smith? No, I sound like I know Brad Smith.
Yeah, that's a coach. Coach Brad.
That's Coach Smith.
Yeah, Coach Smith.
Okay,
Yay.
I got you. What's up, Coach
See,
Smith?
this is what happened.
What happened?